Welcome to this week's Formula E Vegan Bake Off, and this week, because we're in Mexico, we're going to attempt to make Mexican wedding cookies. The first thing you need to do is preheat the oven to 160 degrees centigrade, that's gas mark 3, 325 degrees Fahrenheit or 140 degrees if you have a fan oven. Into a bowl you need to measure half a cup of vegan margarine and half a cup of vegetable shortening. Half a cup of vegan margarine equates to 118 grams and half a cup of vegetable shortening is 103 grams. Now for vegetable shortening, the vegan version, I've just used Trex, and according to the vegan websites I visited, it is perfectly okay to use it. Then take your electric whisk and beat it up until it's light and fluffy. Next, you need to add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and then beat them up. Next, measure out 80 grams of icing sugar and sprinkle into the bowl a little at a time and beat it into the mixture. Into a bowl, add 250 grams of plain flour and 83 grams of ground almonds. Give it a little mix and then, a little bit at a time, add it to your mixture and beat it up, and then keep beating until it resembles shortbread cookie dough. Once you've added the flour and the almonds and your mixture resembles cookie dough, take a teaspoon and start spooning the cookie mixture onto a lined baking tray. Once you've popped them on the baking tray, you just need to pop them in the oven for 14 to 16 minutes. When they're cooked, they should all puff up in the oven, and you need to take them out just as the bottoms are turning golden brown. Don't leave them any longer, otherwise they will overcook. Once the cookies have cooled off, dust them lightly with icing sugar and enjoy.